Hello everybody, welcome back to 2 Tech Explorers, the channel where we explore latest developments in technology. In this video, we will discuss about artificial intelligence, AI, in healthcare. AI, artificial intelligence, has made significant advancements in healthcare and has the potential to revolutionize the industry. Here are some details about AI in healthcare. 1. Medical imaging and diagnostics. AI can analyze medical images such as X-rays, CT scans, MRIs, and mammograms to assist in diagnosing diseases and abnormalities. AI algorithms can detect patterns and anomalies in medical images with high accuracy, aiding radiologists in making faster and more precise diagnoses. 2. Predictive analytics and early disease detection. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of patient data, including electronic health records, EHRs, genetic data, lifestyle information, and wearable device data. By applying machine learning and predictive analytics, AI can identify patterns and risk factors for diseases, enabling early detection and proactive interventions. 3. Personalized medicine and treatment planning. AI can analyze patient data and genetic information to provide personalized treatment plans. By considering a patient's unique characteristics and medical history, AI can suggest optimal treatments, predict responses to medications, and guide precision medicine approaches. 4. Drug discovery and development. AI is being used to accelerate drug discovery and development processes. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of biomedical data, including genomic data, protein structures, and scientific literature, to identify potential drug candidates, optimize drug design, and predict drug efficacy. 5. Virtual assistants and chatbots. AI-powered virtual assistants and chatbots are being used to enhance patient engagement and provide basic healthcare information. These tools can answer questions, schedule appointments, provide medication reminders, and offer general medical advice, improving access to healthcare services. 6. Robot-assisted surgery. AI technologies are enabling robotic systems to perform precise and minimally invasive surgeries. AI assists surgeons in planning procedures, providing real-time feedback during surgery, and enhancing surgical precision, resulting in improved patient outcomes. 7. Health monitoring and predictive maintenance. AI-powered wearables and remote monitoring devices can collect real-time health data and monitor patients' conditions outside of healthcare settings. These devices can alert healthcare providers of any concerning changes or potential emergencies, allowing for early intervention and proactive healthcare management. 8. Administrative efficiency and workflow optimization. AI can streamline administrative tasks, such as appointment scheduling, medical coding, and billing, reducing paperwork and administrative burden on healthcare providers. AI algorithms can also optimize hospital workflows, bed allocation, and resource management, leading to improved operational efficiency. 9. Ethical considerations and privacy. The use of AI in healthcare raises ethical considerations regarding patient privacy, data security, and the responsible use of AI algorithms. Protecting patient data, ensuring algorithm transparency and accountability, and maintaining ethical standards are important aspects of AI implementation in healthcare. AI has the potential to improve diagnostics, treatment outcomes, patient experience, and operational efficiency in healthcare. However, it is crucial to balance the benefits of AI with ethical considerations and regulatory frameworks to ensure its responsible and effective integration into healthcare systems. We hope you have enjoyed this video. We request you to like, subscribe, and share the channel. Also, please enable the bell button to get notifications about our latest videos on technology. Thank you.